Hello friends, welcome back to the S3 Cloud Hub YouTube channel. Today, we are going to start a new tutorial series, which is based on gaining basic understanding of Kubernetes fundamentals. So this is going to very first lecture of this tutorial series. In this video, I will give you an overview on Kubernetes concept. So without any further ado, let's get started the session. In Kubernetes, we can set the wish state of our clusters using Kubernetes API. We can set their applications that we want to run, number of replicas, network resources and storage resources, etc. You can do this using CLI, the command line interface of kubic control or kubectl. Now to set your cluster's current state, you can use that Kubernetes control plane. This can be achieved via the port lifecycle event generator plank. Kubernetes can automatically start or restart container, or scale the number of running instances of your application. To do so, the control plane has several processes. On the master node, there are three main processes: KubeAPI Server, KubeController Manager, and KubeScheduler. On the worker node, or nodes, there are two main processes running: KubeBullet, to communicate with their master nodes, and KubeProxy, for the networking surfaces. Kubernetes contains a number of objects to represent information about your cluster. The basic Kubernetes objects are but service, volume, and namespace. Building up on the basic objects, Kubernetes has number of features. These features include deployment, daemon set, stateful set, replica set, and job. Now, the communication between Kubernetes and your cluster is governed by the control plane. It works to meet the actual state of all the objects in your system, match the desired state that you provided. It responds to any change in the cluster, anytime. For example, when you create a new deployment, the control plane records this desired state and stored the required applications. Making cluster's actual state match your desired state, which is that deployment you created. Kubernetes cluster consists of a number of machines, can be physical or virtual machines, and every machine called node. The master run on a single machine of their cluster, and maintains that cluster desired state. Every time you interact with the command line interface, and queue, in Kubernetes, which is kubecontrol, or kubectl, you are communicating with the Kubernetes master. Now you should be able to explain what Kubernetes is. So Kubernetes is a platform for managing containerized workloads and services that facilitates both declarative configuration and automation. That's all we have on the overview, and there with picture of Kubernetes. So guys, that is it for the first session. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I will see you in the next lecture. If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.